everyone, welcome to Daniel's Science Club. From grade 6, I started to learn science, and Unit 1 is about cells. So today, I'm going to introduce cells to you. Cells make up everything that has life. A cell is the basic unit of structure in an organism. There are 30 trillion cells in a human body. This is a typical plant cell. It has a nucleus, cytoplasm, chloroplasts, mitochondria, of course, sub-vacuole, cell membrane, cell wall. You may ask, what are these things? Well, a nucleus contains DNA. A cytoplasm is jelly-like, and it is where chemical reactions happen. Mitochondria are where respiration happens. The cell wall is tough to support a cell. Vacuole contains cell sap, keeping cells firm. Chloroplasts contain green chlorophyll here. It's where photosynthesis happens. Cell membrane controls what goes in and out. An animal cell is a little bit different. Animal cell, plant cell. It doesn't have a cell wall, vacuole, or chloroplast. The shape of a cell and what it contains can tell us about the job the cell does. Some cells are specialized, and they have an adaptation to make them good at their job. I'm going to show you these interesting cells. First one is the root cell. Its function is to absorb water and the minerals from the soil. It has a long root hair to give it a large surface area for absorption of water and minerals. No chloroplasts due to being underground. The second one is the sperm cell, along with the egg cell, of course. Its function is to fertilize an egg cell, another specialized cell. A sperm cell has a streamlined body and a pointed head. To break the egg cell, its nucleus contains DNA, and the long tail allows it to swim fast through blood. The egg cell has a hard cell wall to protect itself and not let other cells to break through. When the sperm cell closes to the egg cell, it secretes liquid that lets the sperm cell in and fertilizes. The egg cell cytoplasm contains nutrients for developing embryos. Membrane changes after fertilization to stop any more sperm getting in. Okay, the next one is the nerve cell. Ta-da! It carries nerve impulses around the body. Its long fibers here allow it to carry electrical impulses up and down the body. Branching dendrites at each end to connect to other nerves or muscles. The last one is the red blood cell. It transports oxygen around the body. It doesn't have a nucleus, so there is more room for hemoglobin, which binds to oxygen molecules. Its biconcave shape gives it a large surface area for diffusion of oxygen. These are the specialized cells that I'm familiar with. Now, let me tell you some history of cell theory. Cells were first seen in the 17th century Europe with the invention of the compound microscope. They were named by Robert Hooke in 1665. In the 19th century, scientists state that all organisms are composed of one or more cells, and they are fundamental units of structure. Today, the studies of cell biology, microbiology, and molecular biology are all combined in the field of cellular microbiology. This is all for today. See you next time.